How to share any music or sound from Soundcloud to your WhatsApp statue directly. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to share any music or sound from Soundcloud to your WhatsApp statue easy and fast. First thing, go to Soundcloud and this is the home page. Now choose the song that you want to share, and after you choose it, now click here down below on those three dots. After you click on them, now swipe right here and you will find the WhatsApp statue option. Click on it and it will take you directly to your WhatsApp statue and you can post it easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.